viral controller with over 10,000 happy gamers and reviews with 4.9 stars. Why is everyone buying this? The GameSir T4 Nova Lite is changing the game. Hall effect sticks, no drift. Turbo fire, 20Hz speed. Dual motors, immersive gameplay. Works on Switch, PC, iOS, Android, Steam. Tri-mode connection, Bluetooth, dongle, USB-C. Precise analog triggers. Fully customizable buttons. Ultra smooth. Ultra responsive. Ultra cheap. Right now, it's 71% off. This isn't just budget friendly, it's crazy powerful for the price. Tens of thousands of players are raving about it. You'll know why the moment you hold it. Don't scroll, grab it now before it's gone. Tired of manually pulling blinds every morning? This best-selling smart blind motor has many happy customers' glowing reviews and a 4.8 star rating. Set schedules, control with your voice, or tap the app yes. It's that easy. Works with Alexa, Google Home, and the Tuya Smart Life app. Full automation at your fingertips. Ultra quiet, adjustable speed and memory. Settings even works after power outage. Easy DIY install, no technician needed. Just clip, charge, and control. Over 60% off now. Don't miss this great deal. Thousands of happy users say it's the smartest upgrade for your home. Ready to wake up to sunlight without lifting a finger? Click the link now and bring luxury home without breaking the bank. Smart, sleek, affordable. It's time to upgrade. Grab yours before it's gone. Would you believe this 135 gimbal is now only 30? It's not just a deal, it's gone viral for a reason. Let me show you why. Thousands of creators say this is the best budget gimbal they've ever used. Over 4.7 star ratings everywhere. From casual vloggers to mobile filmmakers, everyone's talking. 3-axis stabilization. No more shaky shots. AI face tracking, stay perfectly centered. Focus wheel push rod, like DSLR zoom. Dual magnetic RGB fill lights. Selfies glow. Foldable pocket-sized travel ready. 10-hour battery shoot all day. Don't take just my word. Listen to actual users. Way better than my $300 DJI. Super smooth, super smart. Best thing I've ever bought for content. New to video, no problem. Smart XE removes the fear of learning gear. Simple controls, professional results. You focus on creating it, handles the rest. Want smoother, smarter content without breaking the bank? Tap the link now before this deal disappears. Trusted by thousands, loved by creators. Click, order, shoot like a pro. What if your dash cam could do more than just record? Introducing the ASDOM M550 Pro and Next Level. 4K dash cam with triple channel recording, GPS, and lightning fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. 4K front camera, rear and interior coverage. Built-in GPS for route tracking. Powerful IR night vision, see the road even in total darkness. With 24-hour parking monitor and G-sensor, your car stays protected even when you're not around. Engineered for reliability, built to last, and incredibly easy to install. No tech skills needed. This isn't just a good deal, it's a massive limited time discount. You won't believe the price drop. And yes, it even comes with a free 64G SD card to get you started right away. Ready to drive smarter and safer? Hit the link and grab yours before this deal disappears.